I felt that this is my calling. I love helping the community, and that's what we do. We help the community resolve conflict outside of court. We really focus on civil matters, so we don't do anything criminal. I think we're one of the clinics that really help the community in civil matters.
The Loyola Immigrant Justice Clinic has a two-pronged mission. One, to services the community of Boyle Heights and East Los Angeles through a partnership with Homeboy Industries and Dolores Mission. And two, to train law students in effective immigrant rights advocacy. In the last 10 years, we've been able to take the training that we give our law students in the classroom outside of Los Angeles and even beyond our borders.
We are a clinic that provides real-world opportunities for students to get hands-on legal experience with international cases, prosecutions, investigations, advocacy work, all of that relating to mass atrocities, genocide, and related international crimes.
The Juvenile Innocence and Fair Sentencing Clinic is one of 4 clinics in the Center for Juvenile Law and Policy. We deal with kids who were sentenced as adults to long sentences in the California prison system. This is California's particular problem and the thing that sets it apart from many other states, that California has imprisoned tens of thousands of juveniles, many for the rest of their lives. This was a problem with no solution until the JIFS Clinic came along.
The RISE Clinic is the first teaching clinical program in the country explicitly training law students on how to represent victims and survivors in the criminal justice process. Currently, we're representing human trafficking survivors, both sex and labor, minors and adults. We're representing murder victims' family members. We're representing kidnapping victims, victims of sexual assault, and domestic violence.
We have helped to free 14 people who collectively served over 300 years for crimes that they did not commit. The other way that we've helped is through a coalition that we belong to that does policy work, and over the last several years we've helped to create, promote, and pass a collection of laws that have been very helpful to our clients and helpful new tools that can help us achieve justice for our clients. We've impacted the whole community here is by teaching hundreds of students now how to do this work, and not just how to do this particular work, but we've sort of shown them how they can use their passion for justice as lawyers to really help affect people's lives and change people's lives, and in some cases give people back their lives, all through the law.
Lawyers ask our students for assistance. They then take that research and either incorporate it into their own briefing, or in some cases, submit the students' work as is directly to the tribunal.
We've been very fortunate in that we've been able to maintain a 95% success rate in representing individuals from the community of Boyle Heights and East LA.
The RISE Clinic is also committed to uplifting survivor voices in the criminal justice reform dialogue in the Los Angeles County.
So over the years, Loyola Center for Conflict Resolution has received numerous accolades from government agencies, including the LA County Board of Supervisors and the White House.
Well, at LPI, we don't expect or require our students to want to become habeas lawyers or Innocence Project lawyers when they leave. We just want to see that they have a real passion for helping people, using their training to do justice in the world. The more private funding we have, the more investigation we can do, the more cases we can work, the more lawyers we can hire.
Your support will enable us to help our students continue their journey in international law, in fighting for victims of mass atrocities and people who suffer just some of the worst that humanity can inflict upon each other.
Every dollar you give supports crime survivors' access to justice in LA County.
Your gift has allowed us to keep our doors open for over 28 years, and our clients thank you, our students thank you, and in particular, I thank you very much.
The more students we can serve, the better we can train them, the more clients we can help, which in turn trains more students and changes hearts and minds to transform California.